you guys better love me because I love you guys and I just bathed in my own sweat. Numero uno, my hair has to go up. Okay, so yesterday, me and my mom both got new foundations. I am using the All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. This is supposed to be full coverage with a matte finish, oil-free, and waterproof. So I kind of had this idea to do a heat-proof makeup kind of trial run. So I'm going to try and use as many long-wearing, heat-proof, waterproof, transfer-resistant makeup that I can, and then I'm going to go out and I'm going to go tan. Why am I doing this to myself? For an hour. I know tanning is not good for you, but I just feel like it's part of life, okay? You're out in the sun, you get a little browns. I figured that is the best thing to test out if it is heat-proof or not. So I'm going to be laying for an hour out there. These freaking false lashes off. I give up. I can't do a whole hour. And then I'm going to come back in and I'm going to let you guys know what the makeup looks like. Now we're going to hydrate our skin a little bit. I'm going to use the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist. This is 12-hour power. So it is supposed to help my makeup stay on for 12 hours or 12 more hours. I used to own this foundation like a year ago. I'm going to get a pump to start out with. And I'm going to just start. Ooh, look at me with my perfect matching skills. This does not match at all. Hopefully it's not going to oxidize though, because if it does, then this color isn't going to match me. This foundation oxidized so bad. We're going to go full in with this concealer. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. This claims to be full coverage, anti-aging, and waterproof. So I'm going to apply it with my finger initially, and then I'll blend it out with a beauty blender. We're going to put this Milani powder to the test. It is the Translucent Light to Medium Make It Last setting powder. So let's see if it can make it last or not. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I have the shade Toast. This is a very pigmented concealer. And finish setting the rest of my face. Unfortunately, there's not a bronzer that I have that is like waterproof or anything. So I'm going to just take my e.l.f. bronzing palette. I'm going to use a really bright blush so that we can see if it lasts or not. So I'm going to use this blush color right here. This is the Love Conquers All one. And I'm just going to barely get it on. I'm going to use another Makeup Revolution product. This is their Golden Spice 2 Rose Gold Ultra Professional Blush Palette. Woo! Pretty sure this is supposed to be waterproof. This is the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream, and I have the shade Light Brown. I'm going to use the Magnify Eyes Eye Primer. It says it intensifies eyeshadow, crease, smudge, and transfer proof. This is a primer that I do love. Set my eyes with powder when because I put foundation on my eyes, and that primer freaking hated that. It's so mad at me for doing that. I'm gonna do a quick little eye makeup look with these two Milani palettes. I have this one in Must Have Metallics and then this one in Earthly Elements. So I'm gonna use the mattes in this one and then use these for a lid shade. I'm going to use this middle color here with my finger. So I'm going to use this Urban Decay 24-Hour Eye Glide-On Pencil. I know that they claim these are waterproof, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I'm going to do it on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade Tiny Tangerines from ColourPop and smudge it. I'm going to use my Jordana 12 Hour Made to Last liquid eyeliner pencil. And I'm just going to take it. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof. And for poops and giggles, I'm going to use this Sugar Pill palette and take this blue color right here. For lips, I'm going to use this Anastasia liquid lipstick and then this Infallible 8 Hour Pro Gloss. So I'm going to do both of them on top of each other. This is in the shade Ashton. Normally you don't find really long wearing glosses, so. I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes. I don't have any lash glue that says it's waterproof or anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some on. Use as a primer to hydrate and prep skin or apply on top of makeup to set. Let's go get my bathing suit on. Can we get a recap of me talking about how well this matched me? This foundation oxidized so bad. Post it up, guys. I've got my Hazy? Can you not see out here? Is it too bright? Over here, Precious. Oh, I have two toy poodles, guys. So, I checked the weather. It is 92 degrees outside. The humidity is at 51%, and it feels like 106. This is the makeup before. I'm already getting a little sweaty. I'm already starting to feel it. I'm not excited. The makeup feels sticky from the humidity, but there's no like sweat or anything on my face. There is sweat dripping down my neck. I'm sweating everywhere. Can you guys see all of this sweat? It's everywhere. Ew. Look at this nasty sweat. I feel like I'm baking. I feel like I'm cooking in the sun. That's what I feel like. It's dripping. I'm sweating. Why am I doing this to myself? I feel disgusting. Guys, it's going in my eye. I don't even know if I can stay out here any longer. It's literally, ow, ow. My eye is stinging from the sweat that just got in it. I can't even open it. What in the heck? Why am I doing that? This is absolutely disgusting. I have to give up. My eyes, I got sweat in both of them. They're stinging. I need to take these freaking false lashes off. I give up. I can't do a whole hour. I'm literally gonna be walking through my house with like barely my eyes open. AC. Okay, let's take a nice look. I don't know if this is the foundation or the concealer, but something did not hold up, and I'm pretty sure it was the foundation. It did say waterproof, it didn't say heat proof, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys this ain't heat proof. The highlight is still on, the lip color is still on. It's only been 15 minutes. No, it's only been, I think it's been 30 minutes, but I just cannot do this. Like, the sweat has been dripping into my eyeballs. It's just completely disgusting, and I need to go shower, so that's what I'm doing. The eye makeup kind of stayed on, but because the foundation was doing all that, it like went down it. The lips, I feel like the lips could have probably lasted the entire time, honestly. And then this eyeliner, I do think it did pretty well also, so. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this really disgusting video. You guys better love me because I love you guys, and I just bathed in my own sweat foundation for an hour, so look at how my forehead is drying right now. Anyway, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.